Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's complete walkthrough, I will show you exactly how to translate PDF files into different languages step by step. Whether it's a contract, ebook, research paper, or business document, you will learn the fastest and most accurate method in 2026. So this guide is beginner friendly and include both free and professional options, right? So let's start with the free option. Open PDF file. Open the website OpenPDF, right? openpdf.com/translate, or you could just type in Google OpenPDF translate, right? Now inside this website, what we're gonna do, we're gonna just go ahead and select PDF to translate, right? So let's say this is my PDF, right? And then you're gonna wait for a few moments and you're gonna see here, of course, this is my PDF file. Hit translate at the top if you want to translate the whole document, and select your language, let's say Spanish, and hit submit translation, right? The source language is English, right? Excuse me, I forgot this. I almost forgot about this. The source language is English. The output should be, let's say, Spanish, right? And then hit submit translation. Right? All you gotta do now is sit back and wait, drink your coffee or tea, and then scan, of course, the PDF file if it checks out. Okay? So, yeah, basically that's it. Now, the common problems, formatting breaks after translation, use different method, adjust spacing manually, use tables carefully. Maybe there is a problem of text appears as image. You run OCR first, use Acrobat OCR tools. Maybe the translation sounds robotic. Fix it by using AI tools like DeepL, manually proofread and adjust tone. Fix maybe there's a special fonts not supported. Replace font in Word, use Unicode fonts, re-export PDF. Another method which you can do professionally, open Google Translate, and you're gonna be able to find a document tab. So let me open Translate. Oh, didn't know where that come from. All right. Open the Documents tab here at the top, and then what you're gonna do, browse your file or add your file. And let me add this one. Okay, and then the language is automatically detected, English. So let's say I want to turn it to Arabic. Then what you gotta do, just hit translate. Google will process the entire document. Best for quick understanding, not perfect for complex formatting. As you can see right here, we're already through. So what you gotta do, you could just go ahead and hit download the document, and basically that's it. All right. So yeah, after processing using both methods, view the translated text, download if available, or copy the translated content. Important, layout may change. You can also use a PDF, or you can use Adobe Acrobat if you want better formatting control, right? Open the PDF in Acrobat, right? And open your PDF. Click Export PDF and choose Microsoft Word and save the file. Why? Because translation tools handle Word files better, okay? And then you're gonna be able to translate the file. You can now use a Microsoft Word built-in translator, Google Translate, AI translators, right? And convert back to PDF. You could just type in Google convert from Word to PDF, right? Convert Word to PDF, and you're gonna find an online website that does it for free, right? And save it right away. The result, a cleaner formatting than direct translation, right? So yeah, basically that's it. Avoid the common mistakes, or fix the common mistakes if available. I'm sure that you won't find that, but in your case, Always keep original PDF backup. Use AI for marketing content. Use Word method for best layout. Run OCR for scanned files. Proofread important document. Avoid uploading confidential files to random websites. In our case, if you're using PDFs, simply make sure to sign up beforehand, right? If you want the fastest, safe method, open PDF in Google Translate, translate it from your language to another language, and save it as a PDF. Done. Translating PDFs in 2026 is easier than ever, but the best method depends on your goal. For quick understanding, Google Translate, best formatting, Word method, highest accuracy, AI tools, scan files, OCR first. Maybe these workflows, master these workflows, and you will handle any document confidently. So, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, see you. Hello.